Oh, I know. We always say this, though, in Texas. I mean, people that have been around here, Texas droughts caused by Texas floods. Don't want that, but it is hurricane season. At the moment, we don't have anything headed our way. Nothing out there to worry about. A little bit of activity out in the Atlantic we'll talk about in a little bit. For right now, though, it's just a partly cloudy day. It even looks hot out there. 360 tower cam, that's the way it's shaping up at the moment. Let's take a look at the very latest on Viper radar. You can see how we have a few dots of green out there. It's going to take a while to get any kind of showers in here, but it's trying. Maybe this afternoon we'll be able to see a few showers roll up into the area. Looking out to the east, out towards Florida, quite a bit more activity there. I've also got some concerns all the way up into Chicago. Maybe a connecting flight earlier might have been delayed by it, but now it's moving east. And boy, look at that, into the Detroit, Cleveland areas. Very heavy storms. Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to move it that fast. You can see how that storm is bowing out, which means there's probably some pretty serious wind damage as it moves out and moves to the southeast a little bit. So if you have any travel plans or maybe some family there in Columbus or Cleveland, might want to give them a call, make sure they're doing okay, because that's a ferocious little storm. Tropical satellite imagery, 10% chance for development, but it's way out in the Atlantic right now. And this is, I mean, there's quite a bit of distance there, and I'll grant you there's not anything to worry about. But, as it moves into the Caribbean, gets into some warm water and starts to build up, these systems can move to the north, they can die out, they can move into Mexico, or they can move into the Gulf. It really is anybody's guess. There's no forecast model. It's going to really give you a good idea as to what it's going to do at the moment. They'll guess. Forecast models will tell you anything, but 10, 15 different forecast models will have this thing going west, then they'll have it going northwest and north, and some will go due north. And it's funny. It's just meteorologically funny. There's always one forecast model that gets it totally wrong and has it going like backwards, which is not a concern for anybody right now. 92 degrees, winds out of the southeast at 6. Humidity, 46%. It is a warm day today. We've got temperatures to 89 in San Saba and Lampasas, 93 in Llano, 87 in Mason, 88 in Fredericksburg. You've got 92 here in Austin, both sites, 91 down in San Marcos, 93 in LaGrange, 89 in Bastrop, 90 for Giddings and Rockdale. So 92, just a touch above what everybody else is at. So when we called for 90 at noon, we figured, okay, 90 or so. It's 92, so we're 2 degrees ahead, but in some places we're still behind it. So let's go for a high today of about 100. But yes, here in Austin, it may be a little hotter than that. The only thing that would change that, of course, are showers. I don't see it yet developing. 90s all across the state, but 96 in Oklahoma City, 98 in Little Rock. There was a 98 down in Laredo as well, so very hot in other parts. Could be worse, is what I'm trying to say here. A little bit of cloud cover to the west. We've seen a few scattered clouds. Don't have any showers moving in immediately, but there are a few dots of green out there. Given the afternoon, could be a few isolated showers that make their way in. They fade away as soon as they get into central Texas. They just can't make that push much further in. Tomorrow and the next couple of days, just not expected. 100 for the high today. Winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15. Tonight, again, upper 70s. We'll probably see 73 in Fredericksburg, and everybody else will be in the upper 70s. Might be a little breezy into the evening and overnight hours. Our 7-day forecast, you can see it for yourself. 101s for tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday. Morning lows in the upper 70s. What about the weekend? Well, we're looking at a possibility for showers. A little breakdown in this system once again. We're hoping maybe we can get a little rain for you there for the weekend and beyond.